Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Today on the table we have a whole lineup of staccato pistols. So yep, we're diving into Staccato Heaven. And what I'd like to do today is a quick video and put it up for discussion and get your thoughts, your opinions of which one of all of the four on the table is your favorite staccato. So starting from left to right, we have the Staccato P, and this is the Duo. And all of these have been safety checked. But let the focus catch up a little bit here. So you got the P in 17 round capacity, 2011. And letting you take a closer look at it here. You've seen this in a previous video of mine. But just absolutely fantastic. The Star of Texas. Very fantastically well done pistol. Fit and finish is fantastic. So just letting you take a look at it for those of you that might be new to staccatos. And the markings, you just have the flag pointing in the correct direction. And it just says Staccato P. And it is the Duo. So as you can see up here, it is cut for the optic. And already from the factory, you'll have night sights. Fiber optic sight, and it is dovetailed and suppressor height. And the rear is also suppressor height, serrated, blacked out. So you just pop your optic and you got your sights ready to go. So this is the Staccato P, 17 rounds, duty size. This locally retails for $2,499. Next to it, you've got another Staccato P, but this is the regular. So same 17 round capacity. It's got a blacked out rear sight, serrated, and it is fully adjustable. Also with a dovetailed fiber optic front. Same exact pistol, same attention to detail, front and rear serrations very positive. Rail for your toys. It only says Staccato P on the side, correctly facing flag. You've got the skeletonized trigger and hammer. It is just absolutely a fantastic pistol. Very large dovetail, grip safety, very positive mag release. Like I said before, same 17 rounds. And on this one, for those of you that want to see it, here's the trigger on the Staccato P. You don't feel a single thing. It's just smooth. There's your wall. Smooth break. There's really no over travel. And look at this reset. Just fabulous. And if you can listen to this, no jokes. Smooth as butter on glass. So on this side, just set 2011 on both by the sights and on the dust cover. And that's it. So you got the Staccato P Duo on the left. You got the regular Staccato P next to it. This one locally is retailing around $2,000, $1,999.99. Of course, your mileage would vary. Next, we have the C line. This is the Staccato C2. And the reason it's a C2, let it catch up, is because now it has 16 plus 1. And if you look at the mag, the shape of it really reminds me of the SIG P365 mag. So now they've crammed 16 plus 1 rounds on the Staccato C. And if you look at it, the next one here is the regular Staccato C, but this is the Duo. We'll talk about that. But the regular Staccato C, as you can see here, this is you see the difference in the mags. So this one you got 7 plus 1 versus 16 plus 1. So going back to the Duo, it's like a mini version of the P. This is designed for more of the concealed carry market. The P's are more of a duty size. Same attention to detail. awesome grip, same trigger. And if you want to look at the reset on this, the trigger, there's your wall, same smoothness, goes. Slide is as smooth as the other one was, as the P. There's your reset, very positive. It pushes your finger out just right. Same grip safety, extended beaver tail, skeletonized hammer and trigger, positive serrations, blacked out rear combat sights, not suppressor height, but you got a nice ledge, bright fiber optic sight, dovetailed, just very, very nice all the way around. And now you've got 16 plus 1 on the C line. And then we're going to come back to the Staccato C, the regular C. Pick the focus catch up. Same markings as the other ones, same triggers, hammers, everything is the same. But this is the slimmest of the two. If you're going to look at the C2 and the C2 will be on your left and the C on your right, of course. You can see the difference in the height. There you go, that's going to be a little bit better. And you can see the width. Doing my best of keeping them lined up for you. So some people are asking, what's the difference between the C and the C2? Well, there you have it. The length of the grip and the width of the grip. The rest of the pistol is the same. So there you go, guys and ladies. Quick video on Staccato Heaven. The two Ps, the Duo and the Standard, and the two Cs, the C2 and the regular C. Which one do you like? Which one would you buy? Would you carry the P? Would you carry the C line? I'd like to know your thoughts, and I look forward really to hearing the conversation on this one. Thank you for stopping by. I load up videos every Friday afternoon and sometimes midweek. So if you like what you see, consider clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. And until the next time, God bless.